Hello, Nubia. I'm sitting under the sky today looking at the dilithium currents flowing across the Earth. And what this diagram is a block diagram overview of all the universal thermodynamics. The Earth is a radio that is unfortunately out of tune now because of the activities of mankind on the Earth, especially in the last 500 years, but even more concentrated the last 120 to 50 years. So in order to resolve the thermodynamic imbalance in the atmosphere, in order to turn the Earth back into Africa again, we're going to augment the flow of dilithium currents that have been disrupted around the world and use the cities of the world and turn them into, block diagram terms, terrestrial resistors powered by the subterranean Earth. Come over here, girl. And we're going to use that to bring in those dilithium currents, conditioning them using Earth heat, and then retransmitting them back out autonomously, no moving parts, no mechanical means, by using the second law of thermodynamics, warm air rising. In effect, we are doing on Earth what black holes do in space. But in our case, that regeneration system that has created the generator, which is our solar energy generator, the sun, which has put a 4.3 billion year thermal charge on the Earth's subterranean. We're using that to tap that energy, and we are intermixing it using steel and rock, conduction, gravitation, that sort of thing, to generate a kinetic energy flow that is conditioned to cool the Earth. But at the same time, we're able to make electricity and drinking water, and to ambiently condition and utilize the Earth's infrastructure, man-made infrastructure, together to fine-tune the terrestrial computer, which is Earth's atmospheric and weather control. The regenerator has already provided us the power supply. The power supply generator, has already given us a unlimited terrestrial battery, which we're going to draw off of. And if one does it properly, unlimited power, free fuel, energy, and drinking water